Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to delete your Lemon8 account permanently in your device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we already know that Lemon8 is similar to Instagram and Pinterest. So in this Lemon8 app, users post aesthetic vlogs mainly, which might be related to food, travel, beauty, wellness and many more. So the most important things to remind in this app is this app might not be available in every region, so make sure this app is available in your region officially or freely, so that you won't face any kind of login error or video making error in future. So if not, then you can also use your VPN and connect to this app. And if you want to remove your Lemon8 account, you just need to follow a few steps. Like to delete your Lemon8 account from the app, you just need to open the Lemon8 app and go to your profile. Tap the profile icon, which is usually available in the very top right of this app, and select the settings and go to the account settings and look for the account deletion option. Tap delete account, follow the instruction and confirm the deletion. If the deletion is not available directly from the app, you can just visit to their website, and you can also contact with their help center, or you can also directly call to their service centers to delete in your account. And after confirming your deletion, your account will be deleted officially. Once your account is deleted, you can uninstall the Lemon8 app from your device. So things to keep in mind before deleting is account deletion is permanent. You can't recover your post, followers or settings after deleting your account. And if you signed up with TikTok, you may also want to unlock Lemon8 from TikTok. Go to TikTok settings, app website and remove Lemon8. So that's how you can just remove your account permanently and uninstall and use other platforms. So if you need more help about this, let me know in our comment section below. That's it for today. Hope this video helped. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Thank you.